everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Questco employee account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Questco employee account, go and open up a web browser. Into the web address bar, type in Questco employee login and press enter. Soon after you end up in the search result, click on the login link at the top of the screen, which will take you to the employee login portal. Enter your username associated with your employee account in the first text box. Head over to the next field and type in your correct password. If you've forgotten your password during logging in, click on the Forgot Your Password link and follow the instructions till the end. After filling in your username and password, click on the Sign In button in order to log into your Questco employee account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.